Building block. Building block. A virtual, real molecular fragment that possess reactive functional groups. They are used for bottom-up modular assembly of molecular architectures, e.g. nanoparticles, metal organic frameworks, organic molecular constructs, supra-molecular complexes. Virtual building blocks are used in drug discovery for drug design and virtual screening, addressing the desire to have controllable molecular morphologies that interact with biological targets. A majority of the organic compounds required by microorganisms are produced via biosynthetic pathways. The components which are utilized by biosynthetic pathways to promote the production of large molecules include chemical energy and catalytic enzymes. Anabolism involves the synthesis of macromolecules from specific building blocks. Examples of biosynthetic building blocks utilized by organisms: amino acids, purines, pyrimidines, lipids, sugars, enzyme cofactors, coenzyma, acetyl-CoA, derivatives, shikimic acid, mevalonic acid, 1-deoxycellulose 5-phosphate,